Hey folks, I am filming a video today, just a little quick video on this different camera, so I'm not sure how it's going to work. These are, and I'm kind of got it cattywampus, so bear with me. These are some little monthly journals that I made for the new year, for 2019, and I should have shared these in December or January, but I didn't because I was going through my mom passing away and I was very sick. So I wanted to just share with you what I made because it has really helped me a lot, and you might do the same thing. It's still not, it's too late. Not too late, it's just March. Anyway, as I ramble on, I just took some sheets of my favorite pad. And this is the Storyteller pad. I got it probably at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, Joann, somewhere like that. Took some paper, cut it down, and just took regular copy paper and made enough sheets so that I can have one page every day to write on. Some of them I don't write on. Sometimes I write too much. I tied just did a little, well, I did grommets on them, but that's not necessary. You can just make holes and put some string. The reason I didn't tie it tight is because I can take this cover off and use it next year and just put in new papers, and then I could save those papers into a journal. But then I also just went and printed off, actually like that font better, so I used it and cut it out. Took a different piece of copy paper, or God, I can't talk today. I took a different piece of printed paper, scrapbook paper, and made, a little frame for it and glued it on there. And I'll show you one that I'm not actually scribbling in. I had an old calendar from the year before. I just taped that in there, something my daughter had used, and made my holes, put my grommets, and it's just a quick, easy, fun project for, it will go into a traveler's journal or just slip it in your pocketbook. It can be a grocery list. It could be just your thoughts, quotes. I had watched Mel Robbins some this year. We went out to eat at Schlotzsky's on my birthday, and things that I had bought, things that we did. And it's just a quick, easy, fun, small, tiny journal that you can take with you or just jot in every day, like a little diary. So that's all. I'm hopefully going to be uploading some more soon. I have another couple ideas that I'm working on, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.